time, jam track. So yeah, this one is actually second time, but before is my friends helped me, so I did how to. But today, I just ticketing by myself. So for the first time travel to Fresno, but I thought that the time is 6:40, but it was not 7:40, so I have to wait 1 hour. So that's why I want to the live show boarding time. I needed to killing boarding time. So yeah, let me sing one song. Yeah, and then I also worry my grandpa. I feel guilty because grandpa feel not good, but I didn't know that. So anyway, I already had appointment. So I will be just speak to grandpa. But please, everybody pray for him. So yeah, anyway, let me see. So yeah, I will keep trust to God. Oh my gosh, what happened? Oh, okay. So battery is not that much, so very windy. Old song. And West Virginia. We're nothing. Older than the. Sorry, my voice really gone. So loud. Yesterday, 2 days ago, I sang a lot, so my voice, really uncomfortable to sing. To the play ocean. I belong West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road. Memories gathered and my ears. Oh my gosh, you can see painted on the sky, misty taste of moonshine dropped through my eyes. Take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Oh, my face over there. Take me home, country road. I hear the voice in the morning. Tell me the radio reminds me of far away. Down the road I get a feeling that I should have it yesterday. Country road, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Hello.
You have a pretty voice.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I love your confidence.
Oh, thank you.
You have a pretty personality.
Oh, thank you. I'm so happy. Yeah, I have.
And plus, because your man said that you're his woman.
Oh, okay.
Is that true? 'Cause he's talking about Heidi.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I met this song. People. They saw when I was the performance in front of a library. So yeah. So and then let me sing the Korean song. Korean song. This song is no, it's just a kids song, but my favorite when I go down. So I just sing this song because the song is even just wind very blows strong. I'm okay. Yeah, I'm okay. Well, it's okay. Yeah, so. 바람 불어도 괜찮아요. Oh, my voice. Wow, my voice really. I can't sing. 바람 불어도 괜찮아요. 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 I can't sing. My voice gone. Shit. Okay. Anyway, I need to wait more. So, hope you guys having a great evening, and then just windy now, but not that cold. This wind very feel fresh, maybe. So feel so good, and then I miss you, and then love you, Grandpa and Grandma. See you tomorrow. Okay. Good night. Bye.